Marrying and loving is a decision. Pagpapasya yun. At yun yung hinihingi nating biyaya dito sa kasal. Pinagdadasal natin na mamahalin kita sa mga panahon na mahirap kang mahalin. Dahil nagpapasya ako na mahalin kita.
Hi, Nadine. First of all, thank you sa lahat-lahat. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo for me. Baka dapat kahit madalas daw masama ugali niyo. Ayoko na, maiyak na ako. Thank you sa pasensya at pagmamahal. Sorry din sa lahat ng shortcomings ko. Alam ko hindi madali pakisamahan, pero nagwa pa din. So, maswerte ka pa dahil.
My dearest love, Robin, my heart is filled with an overwhelming sense of love and gratitude for having you in my life. As my love for you grows deeper, I cannot wait to embark on this beautiful journey of marriage with you. Being with you made me realize that love is not just about grand gestures. It's the little things, the everyday acts of kindness and thoughtfulness that make me love you even more. Migs. Ral, pang-igop sana yan, tol, para pare-pares kayo, tol. Pwede mo nang gamitin, pare. Yun, oh, nagpunas na yun.
Kiss ba? Kiss lahat? Kiss. Yung lipstick eh, lipstick.
Like I'm falling, I don't know what to do. It's like
Super bait mo and loving. Basta yung sa akin in English. Sa lahat ng nagawa ko na mali, ikaw binigay ni God sa akin dun sa mga nagawa ko mabuti. Masaya ako na nandito na tayo ngayon sa sobra dami kong pinagdaanan, niligtas at sinamahan mo ako. Isipon ko. Natatawa kayo. Mahal na mahal kita at I'm excited sa new adventure natin and hindi ko may basa. And soon with our baby. I love you, Robin. Okay.
Sa lahat ng abay ko here, maraming salamat. Kasama ko na to since day one, si Ralph, tsaka si Bib, si Bowie, si James, si Ian, tsaka yung kuya ko. So, thank you lagi sila nandyan para sa akin through ups and downs. Yun lang. God bless. Cheers! 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 Yun ba?
Ano lang ha?
Wow, dalagang Pilipina yan. Tapos Mayora. Sana mag-ibig. Sabi,
I'll
From spraying alcohol on my hands whenever I go to the restroom, to checking my car for preventive maintenance, and randomly sending food. Thank you for making me feel loved. The road ahead is exciting as we go through the next chapter of our lives. I promise to love you unconditionally. I promise to support you in your dreams and aspirations and to stand by your side through thick and thin.
Remember that. Love is not a feeling. Love is not goodness na parang lumulutang ka sa langit pag nakikita mo. Hindi. Love is a decision. Pagpapasya. Kailangan yung pagpapasyahan yan. And I know that you will be going through a lot of challenges in life. But remember, for every decision to continue loving, God is with you.
Together, we will face life's challenges knowing that we have each other to lean on. You are my soulmate, my forever love, and I cannot wait to call you my husband. I love you very much, Nadine.